Today's video is about the app that brings pictures to life. This app converts your photos in gallery to animated photos. The cool thing about FaceDance app is that you can make your photos sing, animate old photos, create a face dance of your own, and turn friends into memes. It has of course weekly and lifetime subscription, but you can still use it for free, and the best part about this app is that you don't even need to sign up. To start AI photo animation, select one of the themes, then you can press the button called Make it Dance or Change Photo.
Ich mache so Bilder mit einer Freundin und auf einmal sagt die, wir sind so hässlich. Entschuldigung? Speak for yourself. Red für dich selber, zieh mich nicht in dein persönliches Problem mit rein. Sorry, aber was konntest du jetzt so hart? Raus.